welcome back to my channel. So I did a look with the palette that I got from Boxy Charm this month, and this is what I came up with. It's super colorful. The colors are not as neon and vibrant. I mean, they're bright, but I don't know, I thought the blues were going to be a little bit more poppy. I don't know. I was disappointed in the blues. However, the purple is stunning. The pink I have on the corner of the wing is amazing. The yellow is amazing. It's kind of like a yellowy green. Yeah, the only color I really wasn't impressed with was the blue in that palette. So anyway, I'm super happy with the way this look came out. I have the lashes from House of Lashes on. I think they're absolutely stunning. And that's it. So it was definitely, I think this might have been one of my favorite Boxy Charms that I've ever gotten. As far as all the products in it went, I'm super happy with all of them. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda Marie. Welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification button. And if you want to stay in touch with me, you can follow me on all of my social media. I'm super active on Facebook, Twitter. Nope, I don't do Twitter. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, but I am super active on Facebook and Instagram, and I just downloaded Snapchat, and I'll put those handles around here for you at some point in this video. So if you want to see how I got from nothing to this look, then stay tuned because I'm going to get into a full tutorial, and I will see you guys super soon, and thank you for jumping on, and I love you all. Bye. Hi guys. So I am just going to jump right in with this Party Animal palette that I got in my Boxy Charm. I'm just kind of winging this look today. I'm not really sure exactly what I'm going to do, but I'm excited to use this palette because these colors are so bright and vivid. So first I'm just going to prime my lid with my NYX primer. I chose to use this instead of my MAC paint pot because this does leave a really tacky finish, and after swatching these shadows, I just want to make sure that they really stick. So the first brush I'm going to use is my Morphe M505, and I'm just going to go in with this tealish blue color called Damage Control, and I'm going to apply that all over my crease. Now I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush number 5 in the Pro Series, and I am going to go in with the Karaoke, and I'm going to just kind of add some dimension to that and try to make it a little bit more blue, as the Damage Control color wasn't quite as blue as I thought it was going to be. Now that I have my crease all blended out, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And then just taking a flat-headed BH brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out all over my lid. Now taking my Morphe M507, I'm going to dip into the super purple color called Hungover, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid where I just put the concealer. And then I'm going to use my ColourPop Pressed Powder Face highlighter. And I'm actually going to apply that right into the center of my eye just to give it a little bit more of a pop. And then using my BH Cosmetics Pro Series 5 brush again, I'm just going to go and blend out that purple and just make sure that it's as seamless as possible around the edges. So I just quickly did my other eye, and I'm going to cheat a little bit today. So using my Miss Rose wing stamp, I'm going to go ahead and stamp a wing on to both of my eyes and do as much as the eyeliner as I can do before I go ahead and put on my lashes. And taking my MUA smudge brush, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the same purple hung over color to the bottom of my lash line. And just to smudge that out a little bit, I'm going to use my MUA small crease brush to just kind of smoke it out a little bit on the bottom line. And with the same MUA smudge brush, I'm going to just take that ColourPop Pressed Powder Face highlighter again and pop that into the corner of my eyes. I'm quickly realizing that when I do these voiceovers, when I end it, my voice goes up. Almost like I'm asking you guys a question, but I'm really not. I'm gonna have to try to stop doing that. Then taking my BH Cosmetics 105 brush, I am going to go ahead and add the yellowish greenish color called It's a Party to my lash line. I usually don't put color up there, but for the sake of wanting to try out all of the colors in this palette, I had to figure out a way to make them all fit in one look. So this is how I did it. So using the same flat BH brush that I used to apply the concealer when I did my cut crease, I'm going to go into the pink color bottoms up, and I'm just going to apply a little tiny bit of that underneath my wing. And now it's time for lashes. I'm going to use the pair from my Boxy Charm. These are lashes from the company House of Lashes. I'll save you guys the pain of watching me put these on. I'm just going to kind of zoom over this part. Okay, so lashes on, mascara on, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of a yellow colored eyeliner to my lower waterline just to kind of tie it all in together. And then I am all finished with this look. Oh, okay, so this is my final look. It's pretty bold, if I do say so myself. This palette was a lot of fun. These colors are super bright, and I had so much fun doing this look. Thank you guys for joining me. I love you all so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.